Hey everyone, so this video is going to start off just a little different, just by me doing a quick voiceover of what's going on. This was the snowstorm that we had received up in Ohio, and it was intense, you guys. It was pretty intense. And so once the first part of the snowstorm went or died down, we decided to take advantage of all the fresh snow and go and play. And so I thought, why not bring you guys with us this particular day and show you what we had gotten so far and tell you what we ended up with. And we ended up with over 2 feet of snow collected all week long. Before the rest of the snow came, we went out and had some fun and played in the snow, and there was a lot of firsts for Nana. She was able to build a snowman, do a snow angel, and also have a snowball fight with Liam. And what was the other thing that we did? Oh, and she did sledding. But in this video, you're going to see her sled and also do a snow angel, and it was so much fun. She's behind you, shaking. Ruby! She's just nosing all the snow. Nope, you're gonna have to do it yourself. Come on, Rue. How you doing, Anna? Wait till you get over by the truck. See how high? You want to go play? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Ruby, come on. Jesus, just step. 1, 2, 3.
I'll take it.
Never thought that this storm would bring this much snow, did you?
It's my fault.
She came up here to see snow, and it hadn't stuck, and then she finally got a snowstorm.
I've been praying.
You go home now. I told you, Nana.
I think the last
This has been
time,
a long time, yeah?
was it 3 years ago that we had almost a
Ruby!
foot of snow? She's over there. Yeah, because we were over there and it was this bad.
No, it wasn't this bad.
Yes, it was.
I'm a
This is the
Floridian,
most.
so I wanted some snow.
At one time, this is the most. Ruby.
God say, you asked for the
Go ahead, Nana. Ball straight back.
Yep, just
Look here.
hold on. We gotta get you.
Oh, Jesus. Goodness gracious. Go ahead. Just go straight back.
Now me. Ruby, watch out.
Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better, then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is for
You don't commit to the phone. She just flopped. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, Santa. How you liking the snow now?
I'm loving it.
Go.
I'm trying to get up.
Going up the hill.
All I'm going to do is just film it. I'm going to film it and I'm going to send it all to you so you have all these memories. You can send it to your cousin.
I can't get my leg up high enough.
Drag it. Drag your feet. There you go. Just break through the snow. It's soft enough for you to do it. I got it.
There's the snow.
There it is.
Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
Say hi.
Hi.
Just when I thought New York was going to be the only vlog that I was going to get up, it was a huge snowstorm that came through last night. Whew, look at this. My knees. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Huh?
I'm knee deep in some snow. You know, knee deep in some
Stop it.
So we're gonna go to the other side of this hill and see if there's anything else they can go sledding. But today I thought I would bring you guys with us while we are having a snow day. It was a massive snowstorm that started last night. Liam, get down, please. Massive snowstorm. Well, that went well. Of me falling. But we're having such a great time out here, so I thought that this little quick vlog of us just playing in the snow, having fun, would be something to post for you guys. Snow after a snowstorm, a little bit over a foot of snow the first go round. I think the second go round tonight, we're supposed to get a few more inches of it. We were able to do a snow angel. I think hopefully I'll be able to get that footage from my husband, but gone, Nana. Oh, sweet Jesus. Uh-oh. Hold on. Go, Nana, go! Woo!
Be with your mama, Ruby. She about to do something down.
Do something fun.
Okay.
It's called fun. All right.
Ruby's little back legs are shaking. She's about to perform the double gainer
Oh, I don't
half
have my glasses. It's okay.
blunt face, head first into snow stupidity, face first dive. Only been performed
Come this way.
by light idiots.
Come up. See, get up.
I got you.
Ready?
Look at her and her habitat. Look at the form. Get her, Ruby. Yep,
I think it's on your nose.
it is definitely in her nose. look at the hole you made.
I know.
Look at the.
It's fun. You should try it.
I'm not gonna get my face red like yours. Look at your face.
I know. Hold on. I need my face. You need to do it, Leo. I'm telling you, it is so much fun.
He done took off his britches. He can't. All right. Look at little Ruby's legs. Go get it, Ruby. Where's the bird? Where's the bird?
Yeah, but you got to give everyone your wave, your posture. You get your arms loose. Ready?
Okay, because the head, is this the bottom?
This is the base.
The base?
The base.
And this is, so the head seems a lot bigger now.
Well, it's one of it's a brand.